What is going on, everybody? Back with a new video. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Otterbox Defender Series case for the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, so stick around. Welcome back, and Otterbox, a company based in Denver, Colorado, which is known for producing high-quality cases for every iPhone that's released, and they've just released their Defender Series case for the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, so let's take a closer look. As you can see, we get our standard tricolor packaging from Otterbox with the white, black, and yellow color scheme. On the top of the box, it does say Otterbox Defender Series Pro, and in the bottom right-hand corner, it does say iPhone 17 Pro Max. Opening up the box and sliding out the case for the very first time, we're presented with the case itself, along with some installation instructions on how to install your iPhone 17 Pro Max into the Defender Series case. However, I will be making a dedicated video showing exactly how to do it, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that content. Now, obviously, this isn't the thinnest case. However, if you're looking to protect your iPhone 17 Pro Max, then this is the case that I recommend. Now, the reason that I say that I recommend this case is that I use it every year, and it's ensured that my iPhone is ready for resale and in perfect condition when I do so. Now, as you can see here on the back, we do have that big, large cutout for the iPhone 17 Pro Max's camera system and vapor cooling system. We also have that wireless charging logo there on the back, as well as a lined pattern for grip and the Otterbox logo. Taking a closer look at the right side of the case, you can see that our power sleep wake button is going to be protected. And we also have a spot here that they actually changed. This is something that people were complaining about on the 16 Pro Max, and we'll talk more about that here in a second, is that they actually added protection to the camera control button. On the bottom, we have cutouts for 2 microphones and 2 speaker grills. And on the left side of the case, the volume up and down buttons and action button are covered. The interior portion of the case has a soft memory foam style cushion, helping to ensure no scratches on your Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Here's the Defender Series case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max next to the Defender Series case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, so you can get a difference on what's changed. So as you can see, they raised the logo up. The top of the case is pretty much unchanged. And as you can see here, the previous cutout on the iPhone 16 Pro Max for the camera control button, as you can see now, it is fully protected. The 2 microphone holes appear to be in the same place. However, it looks like we have slightly bigger cutouts for the 2 speaker grills. And again, here's a closer look at that action and volume up and down button coverage. Now, obviously, there's going to be quite a big difference on the back, as you can see that bigger cutout for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And I'm wondering if there's going to be a rocking issue when the iPhone 17 Pro Max is placed on a flat surface. So with this big camera bump on the back, I wonder if placing it again down on a flat surface and moving it around with your fingers is going to make it bounce around a little bit with this camera hump. So with this case, it should actually flatten it completely out, making it sit flat on a flat surface. Otterbox stopped including a built-in screen protector on the Defender Series cases. However, I wish they still included one. And also, they don't include the belt clip any longer, which in my opinion was useful for a couple reasons. One is if you wanted to attach it to your waist, it was a perfect way to do it. And 2, it also doubled as a stand for multimedia consumption. Now, I did receive an extremely early unit, so you might receive different packaging when you order yours. However, I did order directly from Otterbox, and this is from their website. Now, this is just an unboxing video and a quick comparison to the previous generation Otterbox Defender Series case. And I wanted to let you guys know that this is actually available to pre-order and receive for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, I will be doing a full review on this case once I get my hands on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I'll also be doing an extensive review on the iPhone 17 Pro Max itself. If this video was informative and helpful in any way, please be sure to let me know by hitting that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of future content. Also, drop a like down below and leave me a comment down in the comments section and let me know what color iPhone 17 Pro Max you purchased and if you're going to purchase the Otterbox Defender Series case. Plenty more case reviews to come. My name is Aaron. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.